In the heart of the lush green forest lived a cheerful parrot named Cookie. He had bright and colorful feathers of red, blue, and yellow, and a very sweet, melodious voice. But Cookie was not just any ordinary parrot. He liked the adventure and exploring the new world, and this was his passion. One fine sunny morning, as Cookie flew through the trees, he spotted something shining in the distance. It was a sparkling and shining treasure box among the roots of a very old tree. Without hesitation, Cookie opened the box. Check what is inside the box. To his surprise, he found precious jewels and gold inside. But just as Cookie was about to examine this treasures, he heard a faint and painful cry for help echoing through the forest.
Help! My baby is stuck up there!
Cookie was a kind parrot, and he couldn't ignore anyone in need. With passion for help in his heart, he left the treasure box, and he fluttered his wings and flew to the rescue.
Help! My baby is stuck up there!
With his sharp beak and skillful knowledge, Cookie carefully freed the baby squirrel from its difficulty. The grateful squirrel family thanked Cookie with heartfelt chirps and grateful gestures. As Cookie watched the peace and happiness on the face of squirrels and sunset behind the trees, he realized that true treasure wasn't found in jewels or gold. The real treasure is peace of mind and heart. We find real treasure when we help others and make them happy. And this way, Cookie the parrot's great adventure had come to an end, but his kindness and bravery would be remembered throughout the forest for years to come. And this is the end of today's story.
Thank you for watching. If the story was good, then please like, share, and subscribe. Also, press the bell icon for upcoming videos. Take care. Bye-bye.